now we have understood about like how we can able to create these mockups, this type of mockups with the help of plugins, which is a mockup plugin. Now we'll learn how we can able to create our own customized mockups, taking the images from the internet. On top of that images, we are going to create a customized mockup as well. Let's jump into the internet and search for some desktop mockup, and you can able to see n number of screens here. This is one of the screen. Let's take this type of screen. I'm just copying this image and pasting it in Figma. Some other images as well. Let's take some complex images from here. Maybe like not desktop, like MacBook Pro. Now you can able to see there are some different types of designs. Let's take something like this and take this one as well and paste it here. And there is one more option. We can also have something around here too. So we can also take this part as well and we can able to have the mockup. Now we need to create 3 different mockups to understand the things. I'll be giving a tip for you guys. So whenever you have design, there is a rectangle or an image or something like a frame or so which consisting of these. Make sure that the change this is the most important element, because change is rectangle. This the only rectangle that actually gives you the entire components, entire coordinates or like points that you can able to create the mockup. With the help of this we can able to make this the easiest way. So I'm just aligning the dots something like this to apply the entire screen here. I'm just zooming a bit and changing the opacity to check every single edge in a proper way. So here is what I'm just doing right now. I'm just aligning everything in a proper scenario like this, and from the left side as well. Now it really looks great. And then changing this to completely just like a normal one. Maybe like you can have some rounded corners as well. Now this is really good. I'm just duplicating this again. Click on this one. Now again go to mockup and plugin. So here you can able to see the option which actually wrap the things. So they call it as a wrapping. So click on this and you can able to use a distort option. So this is the 4-point vector that is already taken from, and this is a change this the name. You should remember this, change this name. Click on this, take this entire change this distort option, vector option, and select the vector field or select the layer whatever you're looking for and click on this layer and click on distortion. When you click on distortion, automatically the design has been updated here. You can see the seamless option something like this. Let us say I would like to do the same thing for this frame. I can do it in a similar ways. I'll just show you like how we can do that. Meanwhile, I'm just duplicating this. Again, I'm just allocating this at time. I'm closing this mockup for now. I'm changing the opacity appearance to something around 60% to understand the things, and aligning this maybe like this. And on the right side part, just select the dot and make sure that things are in the proper way. And here as well, like just correct these dots to here, and wherever you see, just make sure that 0 is the criteria for now. Later you can able to change that based on the scenarios and all. Zoom in as much as possible so that you can able to check every single frame, every single elements that should be in a proper frame itself. Now I'm good with this. So I'm just selecting this again and just having this. Now it's time to make sure that these should be removed. Before doing that, what I can do is like I can able to create something which is rounded corners. 14 pixels is good enough, and on the right side part, on the left side part, maybe like 12 pixels is good enough. That's what I'm just thinking. And yes, now almost everything is done. So select this and make the appearance or like fill to 100%. Select this, go to mockup and then click on this, and this is a wrap or a distort. Click on this distort option, click on the target vector 4-point vector, and again click on the desktop whatever you are looking for, and then click on apply. This is how you can able to change this. And we have a small edge case on the top corner, right? So we can able to remove that with the help of this rectangle form. So I'm just hiding this for now and then selecting this option, closing this mockup as well, mockup plugin as well, and changing this to something like this. So changing the opacity like this and able to add this. Maybe like this is what the size is. I need to remove this from this. So select this and you can see this option, exclude this one. This is how you can able to do this. And there are some minor adjustments here in the exclude. Just click here. You can use Boolean operations based on your strategies. That's up to you, like how you can able to use Boolean operations and all. Go through the things, then you can able to understand. So this is how you can able to do that. Similar ways I can able to do this for this as well. So, but before doing that, I have a different type of scenario. There is an option on the left side bar. This is the woman. I'm just click on pen tool and changing this something like this option. So because this is going to be part, so this part need to be added on top of this. I'm just filling this and having some rounded corners, and then selecting this, duplicating it, selecting both, and again using layer as mask. By doing this, what happens is top of this vector, you can able to see I'm just hiding the background part and selecting this vector, and on top of this the image, right click and use as mask. You can see this, and in between this I can able to add the details. Again, you need to have the same type of rectangle. Make sure that this rectangle should be underneath this layer mask, and I'm just changing this detail. So this is the layer on top of this. Currently I'm just hiding the layer mask on top of this, and yeah, just assume that where you can able to see the details, so based on that you can able to add it. Okay, so I'm just adding something around here, and another dot is around here, and adding this. Again, I'm just zooming a bit and checking in detail version, so we will be getting the exact frame style. Okay, now I think that this is one of the exact style which we are looking for. Now enable the topmost layer. Now let's make this layer should be something like a layer blur. So because the only thing is like the background is something like a layer blur itself. Now you can see the exact version whatever we are looking for, we can able to see it. So we got the similar type of style itself. Again, we select this and change the opacity to 100%. Again, go to mockup, click on this, and you can able to click on distort option and click on the target point and click on the option whatever we are going to create. Click on this and click on apply. Then you can see that the mockup has been applied here as well. So this is how we can able to create some advanced customized mockups for your devices with the help of Figma mockup plugin.